Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So I had a question wherein the person was mentioning that their echeverias are changing the color to green despite giving them a good amount of light. Now the person thought probably it's because of the green shade cloth, because as I've advised, summer is over here. Please don't expose your succulents to direct sunlight after 11 a.m. So they put up a green shade cloth and they noticed that their succulents are starting to turn green in color. Now it was one of the varieties that was turning slightly green in color. It was red before. So they were quite worried about that and they thought probably it's because of the green shade cloth. It has nothing to do with the green shade cloth, because now our echeverias are going to get into their growing season, which means that most of the echeverias that have the anthocyanin, and that is the pigment that tends to show up on succulents either when they are stressed or when they are in dormant season. But now that the echeverias are getting into their growing season, so of course the pigment anthocyanin will start to disappear and the succulents are going to get into their growing period. Specifically echeverias, they will get into their growing period. Now when they get into their growing period, they will get rid of the anthocyanin pigment and will start getting green in color, which is absolutely normal. You do not need to be worried. This is a very good sign that your succulent is reacting to the environment, because right now once it starts getting warm, echeverias will get into their growing season. Now of course it depends from echeveria to echeveria. Not all echeverias will turn green in color. Like for example, I have Pulox over here, I have Echeveria hera. My Echeveria hera has also become a little lighter in color because again it's from the genus of Echeveria. Pulox will not turn green in color, but it will reduce in stress because Pulox does not have any green pigments. Only succulents that have green pigments will start to show more of greens, whereas some succulents, like this is my Graptovaria Debbie, whether it's a growing season, whether it's a dormant season, these can never turn green in color because they do not have the green pigment. They only have this purplish kind of or pinkish kind of a pigment. When they tend to get dormant, the color becomes even more intense, dark pink in color. So whether it's dormancy, non-dormancy, they will still remain the same. They are not going to turn green in color. It's mostly with echeverias that they tend to turn green in color. So it's absolutely normal, nothing to be worried. In fact, it's a very good thing that your succulent is getting into this green color. When the succulent starts getting green in color, it means that it is now in its growing period. And if you are a person who's looking out for growth in your succulents, this is a very good sign. This means that your succulent will start to grow. Again, when I say succulents will start to grow, it tends to grow at its own pace. It's not like regular plants wherein they come out from dormancy and they have an outburst of growth. That's not the case with succulents. They will grow, but very slow, but at least they have some indication they're giving you that they are in their growing period. So don't be worried. It's nothing related with the green shade cloth. It's not because the color is green and that's why your succulents are turning green. That's not the case. It is just because your echeverias are getting into their growing period. So guys, that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.